Hello, Lisa Harris here. Today I have a super special 3-bedroom that you are going to want to snap up. It's on Shield, and guess what? It even has a spacious sunroom. Take a look.
What an opportunity on a cul-de-sac street in South Georgia. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage. This great home has tile floors throughout, wood-burning fireplace, and newer interior paint. The large sunroom with built-ins and great windows makes for a great dining room. The bedrooms are spacious, including the owner's bedroom with a large walk-in closet and nice bathroom. The roof and windows were replaced in 2019 per the seller. This one is ready for you to make it your own.
Let me help you seal this deal on Shield. You better move swiftly because this one will be sold soon. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.